Hi everyone, hi everybody, how are you doing? How is everything going on there? Fine, today I've brought you something here, so that is now I'm gonna show you the way to model the columns as well as the way to insert the grid lines in between uh, the columns. Before showing you how to model the columns as well as how to insert the grid lines in between the columns, firstly I wanna show you something that is if you remember in our previous class I promised you to show you up something that is uh, assuring the dimension of all these six rooms is identical or similar. I wanna start from that one so as to show you the dimension of all these typical rooms is identical. Firstly, I'm entering into the dimension toolbar, then after that I have to click here the linear one, then I can start from the first room, this one. So this is gonna be how much it is, 3.5 meters. The dimension of all the six rooms is 3.5 meter. I'm gonna show you the dimension of the second rooms. So this one is going to be again uh, 3.5, since it is similar to the first room. So uh, now uh, I wanna assure the third room. So the dimension of the third rooms is going to be again 3.5 meters. So we're done here. Now we're fine. We can keep working again. Okay, guys, we can proceed. So here, the next thing that I wanna show you is how to model the columns and as well as how to insert the grid lines between the columns. So as to show you the way to model the columns, uh, I'm I'm uh, I'm uh, I'm clicking this one, the line symbol or the line object. Then I'm sorry, I do have something to tell you first. That is, before modeling the columns, we have something to know. That is, the size of the columns. Before modeling the columns, we have to know the size of the columns. The size of the columns that I assumed is going to be 20 by 20. So that means 0.2 meter by 0.2 meter is the size of the columns that I assumed before. I'm gonna use it. So I can start from this one. I'm going 0.2 meter horizontally to the right. Then after that, again 0.2 meter. Sorry. Vertically down. Sorry. 0.2 meter vertically down. I have to turn. Okay, what's up? 0.2 meter down. Then I can turn back to the left. How much? Again 0.2 meter to the left again. Then I can finish here. I can finish it here. Then escape. Fine. So now the next thing that I'm gonna do is uh, I'm selecting this object and then I'm gonna duplicate or copy it to all these rooms. So as to copy it, what I will do is, as I told you before, I'm selecting the object. Then after I'm going to up to the copy symbol. Then after selecting the copy symbol, what I will do is by pressing the base point of the column object, then after that uh, I'm gonna duplicate or copy it horizontally to the right. Okay, so uh, here also, again here also. Then after that we can finally say escape. I'm sorry, I have to copy one more, then escape. Good. So we're fine. We can proceed again. So the next thing that I'll do is okay. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm inserting the green lines or the grid line in between the columns, those columns, and then after that I gotta select those columns with the grid lines. Then what I'll do, so I'm doing this, I'm copying or duplicating those five columns with its own grid lines to this and this one also. So uh, before doing that, as I told you before, I'm gonna insert the grid lines first. So here I gotta start from this one, so the midpoint of the column object. Then after that I go horizontally to the right, so I gotta finish it here. Good. Then after that I can put here some object, and then I gotta extend this object up to this one. So so as to do that, I'm selecting the extend symbol. Then after that I can do what I wanted to do. So here, then after extending this object to this, I can omit or erase this one because it's not functional anymore here. Good. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is here I have to insert something here, that is I can say here loud. Then after that I gotta insert uh, this one, then I can say here okay. Then after that what I'm gonna do is selecting this object, and again here I can say okay. So what I'll do is I gotta select this object, then after that I'm entering to this one, then I can say here center times 2. Fine, we're done here. So what I'm gonna do is as I told you before, I gotta select those all columns with its own grid line, and then after that I gotta copy it, so I'm gonna duplicate it. So I have to select it first. So good. Here again, then the grid lines. So the grid lines. So I'm going up to the copy symbol. Then after that I'm gonna copy or duplicate it. So good. Here, okay, I can make here this one. Then after that, okay, it's already been turned on. One, two, and the last but not the least one is going to be this one. So we're done here. We're fine now. Again, we can keep working or we can proceed. Okay, fine, guys. Here, the next thing that I'll do is, I'm gonna put the vertical grid line here. Then after that, I gotta copy it to horizontally. So I'm selecting the line symbol or the line object. Then, as I told you before, I'm gonna draw a line. Okay, a grid line here. So I'm coming vertically down here, and I can finish it here. So again, I'm gonna draw some object randomly here. Then after that, what I'm gonna do is I gotta extend this object up to this. So then after extending this object up to this, finally I can erase or omit this object because it's not functional anymore. So I'm selecting the extend symbol. Then after that, I gotta extend this one. Okay, good. Then after extending the object, I gotta erase this one. Good. So we're fine. So what I'm gonna do next is, again, I'm selecting this object. Then after I'm gonna modify as this one. Escape. Good. So I'm gonna do something like, I gotta select the object that I've drawn here. So then after selecting the object, I'm gonna duplicate horizontally. Okay, so I'm going up to the copy symbol, and after selecting the copy symbol, what I will do is, copying the object. So by pressing the base point of the object, we can copy it horizontally to the right. Okay, right here again, and finally right here. Okay, then after duplicating the object, we can finally say escape. So I have already said escape. Good. So we're fine. Again, we can proceed. We can keep doing so. Okay, guys, for today we're done here. So it's enough for today. We gotta stop here, and in our next class, we're gonna start from where did we stop. So see you later. And finally, I wanna deliver some message that is, as usual. So do not forget subscribing this video after watching it. So bye bye. See you later.